My name is Nicholas Attard and I do 3D printing. So I make models, I make lampshades, I make carousels, practically anything that could be used day by day. I've been doing 3D printing for about a year and a half now, and now, as you can see, I'm getting pretty good at it. I'm looking just online at different files or prints that we can load up and 3D print. Let's go a traffic code. It'll tell you the different dimensions, how it goes together, but this one it screws together in 5 different pieces. So we just basically download the file. So we'll go into the 3D program. It runs the entire printer. And that's the first piece. You can expand it, you can shrink it, you can spin it around. The time it'll take to print it will be 25 minutes. And we just practically hit print, and we just sit here and watch the machine do its work. Now that I've hit play, we've changed the colour once again, gone from white to purple and now to blue. We just peel all these little bits off. There's nothing that can go in the bin. To twist it and it should pop off. And there's our little model complete.